In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transparent chat to Twitch stream via OBS Studio in 2026, the easy way. Here's the plan. We'll use a chat widget from a streaming tool and display it in OBS Studio as a transparent overlay so your viewers can see chat live on screen without blocking your gameplay or camera. First, sign in to your preferred overlay platform. Streamlabs is the most common for this, and streamelements work similarly. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the chatbox widget. This is the tool that generates your on-screen chat. When you open it, you'll see a preview and, most importantly, a unique widget URL. That URL is what makes the magic happen in OBS. Treat it like a private link, don't share it publicly because it's tied to your channel's chat. Before you copy the URL, take a minute to customize the widget on the website. Choose the theme, set message appearance and fade out timing, pick colors that match your brand, and confirm the background is transparent, so only the messages show on stream. You can also adjust things like bad words filters and emote sizes if those options are available. When it looks right in the preview, copy the widget URL to your clipboard. Now switch to OBS Studio. In your scene, go to the sources panel, click the plus icon, and choose browser. This source type lets OBS display web content like your chat widget. Name the source something easy to recognize like chat, and then paste the widget URL into the URL field. This links OBS directly to that chat overlay. Set the width to 1920 and the height to 1080, or match whatever your OBS canvas is set to. These dimensions help the chat render crisply and scale correctly in your scene. If you're streaming at a different base resolution, enter those numbers instead. 720p would be 1280 by 720, 1440p is 2560 by 1440, and 4K is 3840 by 2160. Click OK, and you'll see your chat source appear in the preview. You can click and drag to move it, and use the corner handles to resize it to the area you want, top left, bottom right, wherever it fits your layout best. Because the widget background is transparent, only the messages will show over your content. If you want to tweak fonts, sizes, colors, or message behavior later, do that back in the Streamlabs or StreamElements settings. The changes will update in OBS through the same URL so you can fine-tune the look without re-adding the source. That's it, the fastest way to get a clean, transparent Twitch chat on screen in OBS Studio.